Can I use ClickUp offline? Alright, let's get real for a second. You're on a plane, right? Or maybe you're in a remote location with spotty Wi-Fi. Your boss just dropped a bomb of a task on you, and you're thinking, ClickUp would be perfect for this. But there's one tiny, pesky problem. No internet. So, the burning question is, can you actually use ClickUp offline? Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, I want to address the elephant in the room. ClickUp is primarily a cloud-based tool. That means it relies on the internet to function. So, the short answer is, nope, you can't use ClickUp in its entirety without an internet connection. But hold on, don't click away just yet. There's more to the story. ClickUp does offer something called offline mode. But let's be clear, this isn't like having the full ClickUp experience unplugged. It's more like a snapshot of your work. You can view tasks you've already opened and even take notes, but that's about it. No editing, no creating new tasks, and definitely no searching. It's basically a digital notepad for your ClickUp tasks. So, while offline mode is a nice-to-have feature, it's not a game changer. If you need to do serious work offline, ClickUp probably isn't your best bet. But let's talk about why this is a bummer and what you can do about it. Imagine you're a project manager. You're on a client site, and the internet is as reliable as a three-legged stool. You need to access project details, make changes, and collaborate with your team. But ClickUp is basically useless to you. Or maybe you're a freelancer working from a coffee shop. You rely on ClickUp to manage your tasks, but every time the Wi-Fi drops, you're out of luck. It's frustrating, right? So what's the solution? Well, there are a few options. First, you could use a dedicated offline note-taking app. Something like Evernote or OneNote can help you capture information when you're offline and then sync it with ClickUp later. Second, you could consider a hybrid approach. Use ClickUp for most of your work, but have a backup offline system in place for those inevitable internet outages. And let's not forget about the future. ClickUp is constantly evolving. Who knows, maybe one day we'll see a fully functional offline mode. Until then, it's important to be aware of the limitations and find workarounds that suit your needs. So there you have it. Can you use ClickUp offline? Technically, yes, but it's limited. Is it ideal? Definitely not. But with a bit of planning and creativity, you can still get your work done, even when the internet isn't cooperating. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.